Synchrony Bank Sam's Club Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a Sam's Club member looking to manage your credit card and payments on the go, the Synchrony Bank Sam's Club app promises convenience, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming banking apps are overly complicated. With this app, you can quickly view your balance, check recent transactions, and make payments directly from your phone. It also allows you to set up automatic payments and receive alerts for due dates, helping avoid late fees. Rewards management is another standout feature. The app tracks your cashback and rewards points earned from Sam's Club purchases, making it easy to see how much you've accumulated and when you can redeem. It also provides easy access to your statements and transaction history. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional login issues or slow load times, particularly during peak hours. Advanced features like budgeting tools or financial insights are limited, so if you're looking for in-depth spending analysis, you may need a separate app. Customer support through the app can also be slower than calling directly. In conclusion, the Synchrony Bank Sam's Club app is a strong choice for members who want a simple, reliable way to manage their credit card. The surprising truth is that while it covers all the basics well, it's not designed for users seeking advanced financial management tools. For anyone focused on checking balances, making payments, and tracking rewards from Sam's Club purchases, this app delivers convenience and efficiency. Understanding its limits ensures you know what to expect and can maximize its benefits without frustration.